I am on a mission to help non-native English-speaking business executives to better understand English in listening to the language as it's spoken in natural, everyday conversations, but also to produce the language effectively themselves. I'll be doing this by helping you to focus your attention on the sounds of English. A spoken language is simply using specific sounds in a structured way to convey meaning. So, the better you are at understanding how English sounds are made, then you'll know what to pay attention to as you listen to the language, but also how to produce the language yourself. Hi, I'm Marcia, and this is English for non-native, English-speaking business executives. Please stay tuned.